Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we are trying snacks from Germany. Yes. Brought to you in part, actually brought to you in whole by Gisa. Gisa. Okay, so we should clear the palate. I haven't had anything to eat in a while, but just, because we're gonna call him Stumpy. It's cold. It happens. Okay, so apparently there's some sort of sour Hitler Spinnenbein Square. No, not square, sour. Sour for gummy sticks. Sour gummies? Fruit gummy sticks. Okay. So, these are 100% veggie. Okay. I'm also not a fan of sour stuff. Not a super fan. Ooh. A little sour. Not bad. Yeah, they're sugary too. And they're... Ooh. Okay, so... It tastes not bad. It's fruity like real fruity, not like Americanized sugar fruit. So it kind of tastes like somebody dumped a bunch of sugar in your V8 and you're hungover and you're just like, why? God, why? Oh, I didn't even see what color that was. Did you? Did you see what color it was? I didn't see what color it was. I think we should try another one. I know it wasn't this color, which is an orange, or maybe a cinnamon stick color. Only one nostril works, but I still can't smell anything. Yeah. There's a sour, strange fruit thing. I know what it tastes like. It tastes like when you go out with the girls and you get drunk on fruity drinks, and then and it comes back up in your mouth, and you got like vodka and tequila and peppermint schnapps. Not peppermint. Any of the other fruit ones. Back up in your throat and back of the... Yeah. Oh, come here, Stubby. We need you. They're not bad. Like, I'm just not a big candy person. But I mean, they're not bad. They're good. It's gonna be a bad night good. That's what they are. Alright. Next up. More thingies. These are called catches. Yeah, what? Salsige herringe. Salsige herringe. These better not be fucking herrings, like fish. I'm gonna die. Oh, it says vegan, but that doesn't tell me anything. Untierset gelatin. Okay. Catches. That's what it says back here. Like they just know. They're fucking me over is what they're doing. That's. What am I supposed to do with all the rest of this, Gisa? I don't even have... Oh, black licorice. Okay, here. Before we try this, I should clarify. I have both a love and a hate relationship with black licorice. I hate the taste of it, but on the love side is the fact that I love the movie Pump Up the Volume with Christian Slater, and one of the things that he has is blackjack chewing gum. And so when I was in junior high, I forced myself to love it so that I could be cool. And that's it. That's the only love I have. They are little fishies. Yeah. 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 Oh, I'm sorry. Did the camera not... Here. They are little fishies. They're... Motherfucking... You can't... Oh, I guess I could put it closer to the camera to show you, closer. Makes it bigger. Yeah, I'm learning. Brings me back to those days when I had my blackjack chewing gum, Diet Cherry Pepsi, and that feeling. Oh, you know that feeling. Yeah, black licorice with not sour at all. I guess a sugar coating? Is that what that was? That's weird. Dude, I haven't had black licorice. Black who? What was I about to confess to? Okay. Well. Ooh, we need Stubby. It's also caught in the back of my throat right now. Good old Christian Slater movies, huh? Gives me a warm chubby. Oh. They cover. Oh, never mind. You don't get it if you haven't seen the movie. Okay. Next is something that looks or sounds vaguely familiar. Can you even hear me talk when I'm crunching bags? It's Snyder's. And it's like a honey mustard and onion pretzel pieces. I'm pretty sure we have something like this here. If not this exact thing. Have I had it? No. And while I love pretzels, honey mustard, not a huge fan of. See how pale this skin is? That means mustard's spicy. Okay? Okay. 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 My teeth. My teeth. Sorry. Smells. Ooh, bad dog. Bad dog. That's not enticing at all. They're definitely pretzel pieces. I hope they're pretzel pieces. Not bad, actually. Okay, I get down with this. Yeah, that's strange though. The honey mustard and onion. The onion hits you afterwards. The honey first, and kind of mustard kind of runs over it, and then the onion creeps up in the back of your throat and tells you, "Hey, don't kiss her, bro." Thank you, Stubby. All right. Oh my God, there's so much in here. This is a huge bag. This is this is about to be fucked up. Okay. Jibak Mission cookies. I don't know what accent this is, okay, but it don't matter. It don't matter. These are mit Zartbitter Schokolade. Schokolade. Okay. You don't have to be so angry about it, Germans. Okay. I have a weird feeling this isn't German, though. I mean, it says Biscaro up here. but they came from Germany. They shop. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. They're cookies with chocolate on the back of them. Yeah. Yeah. There's different kinds. They're good. They're little cookies. Little cookies like grandma gets. Puts on the table. They're really good the first 2 or 3 days. Then they turn to stone. Stubby. Round of applause for Stubby, please. Thank you. Thank you. All right. It's My Little Pony. Oh yeah. You shouldn't get to see inside her head yet. Meanies. I should know who this is. But I don't. But what I do know is there's a sucker inside. It's definitely not cocaine. Is it reloadable? I think it is. I don't want to pull it out though. I'm afraid to break it. I don't want to open it either. I want to keep it. So, sorry about your luck. But thank you, Gisa. Because I love it. You stay right there. You watch me too. You watch me too. Okay. Moving on. That looks weird. Okay. We have the Kinder Regal. The Regal in the Kinder. Does this even work when you do like, oh, my makeup is, that's the name of it. Can you read it? No? Oh, here, let me put 30 odd things, and that doesn't help anything. Okay. Kinder Regal. Eh? Eh? No? Okay. Milch. Cacao. I'm assuming that means some kind of milk chocolate. Oh, it's got that Twix feeling to it. It's got the motherfucker. Almost dropped it. Didn't drop it. Kept it. But it's got a weird. This is. Oh, daddy. Oh, my papa. That's really good. That's really, really good. Wow. That's dangerously evil. That rivals everything. It's close to the Oreo candy bar. Oreo is a candy bar. And if you haven't had it, you're welcome. And I'm sorry, because they're amazing. And if you can't find them, sorry. That's damn. Okay, Stubby, I don't even want you right now. Alright. Okay, that should have been the ender. That we should have saved that for last. Damn. I'm gonna need a fluffer to keep going. Alright. This next one's probably gonna be just as good. It has that same kind of feel to it. It's the Duplo. Duplo? Wait. Of course, white is just white. Germans. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it has the same kind of wrapper. This is going to be, man, these should have, oh, this is going to be what's in the middle of the other one, wrapped in chocolate. Oh my God, it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. It's not string cheese. God, stop being so white. Not as good. I'd like to go back a couple of seconds where I said don't be so white. What I meant to say was don't be so lower class. I don't remember. Who had string cheese? I remember it, but we never had it. Somebody else had it, like friend's house had it. Middle class. Don't be so middle class. That's right. This is what the white chocolate, and it's got some kind of crackery thingy in the middle. Not my favorite. Not horrible. Just kind of sweet. Again, this stuff is all like just as sweet as the shit we have in America. I don't know why y'all talking about all of us. Apparently y'all are some fatties too. Alright. Really? So we have Zungen tattoos. These look like tattoos that you... Bro, I don't know if I want anybody seeing my tongue. That's just kind of weird. So they're wafer? Are they... What are they, dude? Are they wafers or are they just... These are just weird. This is how you get coronavirus. Putting random shit on your tongue. So, this is going to be a great video, by the way. That looking it's now stuck to the roof of my mouth. That's great. It's the way for the sticks to everything. Now you can't read it because it's just smothered everywhere. It's still stuck. Oh God. Oh, just the body of Christ. Oh, he's all in my mouth. No. That's no. I don't see. It's just stuck everywhere. I didn't. Stubby to the rescue. Okay, we should have used Stubby. We didn't though. We did not. Okay. That was interesting. I wonder if I could get other people to try this because that'll be fun. That'll be great, actually. Let's move on, shall we? Okay. This should we wait? Hold on, let me see what else is in here. Oh my. Oh my. What are these? Oh, are you ready for me to mess this up? We have what I can only describe as Fiesta Baumkuchen Spietzen. Yes. Fiesta Baumkuchen Spietzen. Mit Wollmilchschokolade. Mit Wollmilchschokolade. Yeah. Yeah. Mit Orangenlikör. Likör. Orangen. So it's got orange liquor in it. Did we smell the other one? I don't think we did. Oh, we can't smell the wafers. Stupid Terry. God, you're dumb. These are like in a sealed radiation-proof vacuum. Hello, coronavirus. Alright. These are harder to get into than my best friend mom's underwear. Never mind. The drawer was always open. Okay, these are like candies, but I'm thinking they're little cakes. I'm thinking right. Those are really good. I can actually really taste the alcohol. I'm seeing if I'm gonna get drunk or not. Wowzers. I don't know how to read German, so why am I looking at it? Who knows? Those may be the best yet. Yeah. Those are pretty great. Stubby, we don't even want to use you. We need to, though. 22 minutes? Good God, if you're still here, I hope you're at work. What did I do with it? Alright. So, the creme de résistance. This one here looks fancy. Schwarz Herren Schokolade Edelbitter. Bitter. Pommes. It says cooking chocolate. Gisa, did you send me cooking like baking chocolate? Are you trying to end our friendship? Because that's cruel. Smells like baking chocolate. It does. Okay. It's definitely dark chocolate, but it's just regular sugary dark chocolate. It's not as sweet as the other stuff, but that's pretty. It's not baking stuff. Interesting. Box is empty. I have one more thing for you. So, there was one thing that didn't come in the package, but I wanted to try because I've heard good things about it. The only thing is, in order to do it, you need a lighter. Do not try this at home. This is not me teaching you anything, okay? It's not. But I heard that you could eat fire. And this is only one way that I do it. Have a good night.